everyone else has just been like you.
Cute siblings.
Xin Chao.
Xin chào.
Oh yes, I remember.
Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? Come on, Richie, flex your language skills.
It's in English. Good, we're fine.
We're good. Chin chin bao te? Oh.
Where's Bonbon?
Xin, xin.
Is he gone to the toilet?
Chin chin lao po.
Is Bonbon gone to the
ของ
toilet?
แม่คิดถึงนะคะ Huh?
Is Bonbon gone to the toilet?
Yes, Bonbon gone to the toilet. Bonbon will come back soon. Hello. I love you. I love you. ขอหน่อย
Rose apple?
Yes. Thank you. กินไหม
No. I just had dinner.
I also just had dinner. I had dinner with you. Did you forget?
No.
Mm.
Someone said Ricky. Who's Ricky? Is that me?
Mm.
Ah, I see.
If I don't get married to Becky, can I marry Richie? But black. Mm, คิดถึงค่ะไว้เจอกันนะคะ
Peru?
Peru?
Is that Peru or Paraguay? Can you teach Richie to speak Thai? What do you mean? My Thai is fluent.
อ๋อไม่เป็นไรนะไม่เป็นไร Speak Thai then ไหนพูดไทย
What do you want me to say?
พูดว่ามัมมี่
Mami
ของ
Kong
ผม
Pom
อยู่ไหน
Yunai
Say it once.
Mami Kong Pom